Chemical properties of alcohols. At first, chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Let us try to understand chemical properties of alcohols. You see, alcohols are such compounds, chemical properties of alcohols. Now, alcohols are such type of compounds which can act both as number one, electrophiles, and number two, nucleophiles. Alcohols are such type of compounds which can act both as electrophiles and nucleophiles. Both. As a electrophile কাজ করতে পারে, as a nucleophile কাজ করতে পারে. Are you getting my point? এই ভিডিওটা পজ করতে. Alcohols are such type of compounds which can act both as electrophiles and nucleophiles. Sir, how can it act as electrophile? It will act as electrophile when it is in the presence of acids. When reaction occurs in the presence of acids, when reaction occurs in the presence of acids, it will definitely act as electrophiles. Sir, how? Let's see. Suppose, for example, you have taken an alcohol RCH2OH. Okay. Remember, when it will act as electrophile, oxygen and carbon ka bond will break. Which bond will break? C and O ka bond will break. When it is supposed to act as nucleophile, then COH, O and H ka bond will break. Understood? When it will act as electrophile, the reaction should go on in which medium? Acidic medium. Now what will happen? In acidic medium, one H plus will come. Now you know that there is lone pair of electron here, is it or not? Oxygen has lone pair of electron. These H plus will attack. Right or not? Now you tell me, when this H plus is attacking, R CH2 O H this will happen because H plus do not have any electron. It is getting 2 electron here, so it will create the bond. This H is this H, this H plus is this H here. But as because oxygen has lost its lone pair of electron, it will become positive in charge. This is known as protonated alcohol. This is known as what? Protonated alcohol. So this protonated alcohol has what charge? So it is a what? Electro. Don't you think so? Anything which has a positive charge will attack anything which is negative. Electron loving. Will it not become electron loving? So it will become an electrophile. Is this clear to you? If you want to see further reaction, further what happens, let me write this. That protonated alcohol, suppose, will be there. Suppose one bromine, one negative species came. Then this will act as electrophile and attack bromine. Bromine is rich in electron. This entire molecule has become electrophile. Right or not? So it will attack bromine. So when it will attack bromine, what will happen is bromine will get attached to the O. Do you think so?
Negative, positive.
No, see, what basically will happen, remember here one thing today only I am teaching. When I teach the reactions, I will not tell 1000 times. Remember these two. when this positive charge develops in oxygen never accepts that. ऑक्सीजन को बहुत बुरा लगता है कि मेरे से साला इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लिया, मैं तेरा इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लूंगा. Didn't I say that C and O bond will break? Got my point? So when bromine will come, these two electrons will taken up by the oxygen. It will become H2O. This bond will break down. So plus H2O will be released. Yes or no? And this carbon will be attached to the same thing, because if these electrons are taken, here also a positive charge will be developed. Still it remains an electrophile. Are you getting my point? Is this understood? Is this clear to you? Sure? So how it acts as electrophile, will you remember this mechanism? Don't forget, in the presence of acid will attack the oxygen. It will become a protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol don't want to stay as protonated, so these two electrons it will take these two electrons and release H2O. So any negative species will come and bind to the carbon which was linked to the oxygen. That is breaking of CO bond. How it acts as electrophile? I am dubbing this, okay? How it acts as nucleophile. Electrophile तो पढ़ लिया ना? पढ़ लिया कि नहीं पढ़ लिया? Now it will become a nucleophile. How can it become a nucleophile? When does it act as a nucleophile? Where nucleophile normally, suppose ROH is there, or let me write it like this: RCH2OH is there. This bond will be broken. Are you getting my point? Which bond will be broken? The bond between O and H will be broken down. So the bond between O and H will be broken down. How? See, it has to act as a nucleophile, means positive charge loving something. So इसके संस्पर्श में कोई एक जन आना चाहिए जिसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, जैसे कार्बोकैटायन के प्लस पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. नींद आ रहा है? जैसे कार्बोकैटायन के प्लस, ऐसा कोई भी स्पेसीज जो इसके साथ रिएक्ट करने आ जाएगा, where acid is not present. कार्बोकैटायन अगर रिएक्ट करने आ गया इसके साथ, तब क्या होगा कि ये जो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, अब देख इसके साथ झमेला हो जाएगा. क्या? ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ बाइंड करने का कोशिश करेगा. RCH2OH कार्बन. क्यों? यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव था, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव था. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो H है ना, ऑक्सीजन को पॉजिटिव बनना पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ अगर ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज जगह लग जाएगा, ऐसे बॉन्डिंग हो जाएगा, तो ये ऑक्सीजन पॉजिटिव हो गया. ऑक्सीजन को ऐसा पॉजिटिव होना पसंद है नहीं, तो ये क्या करेगा? इस हाइड्रोजन से भी ले लेगा. अगर एसिड के प्रेजेंस में होता तो यहीं से ले लेता, H2O रिलीज कर देता. लेकिन अभी एसिड के प्रेजेंस में नहीं हो रहा है, तो यहां से ले लेगा. समझ में आया? तो क्या रिलीज हो जाएगा बोल तो? What will be released? Tell? H plus will be released. ऐसे ले लेगा तो क्या रिलीज होगा? RCH2O, C ऐसे रहेगा, plus H plus will be released. Hence it is behaving as a nucleophile. See, electron rich attacking positive charge. हाँ? उल्टा হলো, মানে OH টাকে ভাঙলো দিকে আর আগেরটাতে C এখানে, হ্যাঁ এখানে OH টাকে ভাঙলো, আগেরটাতে C আর O বন্ড কে ভাঙলো. এখানে তো বললাম O আর H এর বন্ড কে ভাঙলো, মানে নিউক্লিওফাইল আছে. মনে থাকবে দুটো? ক্লিয়ার তো? If you can remember these two, if you can little bit practice, then आराम से तो चैप्टर इज ओवर. आराम से कोई भी रिएक्शन ऐसे बताऊंगा चुटकी में हो जाएगा. Is this clear? তাহলে Tuesday you have extra class at from what time? 12:30. Here 12. Who said that 12:30? 12. Though for whom it is possible